This is the Savage Scientist Ed right here. And I do Uber and police car. Savage Scientist back in here today. Looking at, I'm going to be comparing TouchWiz. That is Samsung's, skin for Android. And I'll be looking at it across 4 different products, 4 different Samsung phones. We have the Note 4, the Note 5, the S5 active, and the S7. I don't have my S6 right now, but the S6 follows the same pattern of the Note 5. So let's get it started now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the S5 active and set it on the side, because this is the phone that I really want you to see, and that's the Note 4. I'm turning the Note 4 on now, and we have the Note 5 already powered up. So what I'm going to do is I'm about to go in here, and this is running Nova Launcher. So what I'm going to do is I just want to show you the call features, because that's the most important thing that I want to talk about, to show you how different these phones are. And so as you can see, the unlock the screen, and let me get back into TouchWiz on this one. Let's get it. And it's gonna be a fair comparison to look at TouchWiz. So I'm gonna leave out a tasker. Well, really, it don't really matter. I wonder if this thing dead. I'd be damned. This phone actually worked. Alright, I'm back here with the Note 4. This is one of the most important features of this phone that set it apart from the Note 5. When you make a phone call, I'm not trying to update anything, so check this out when I try and make a phone call. Got a phone number going.
Refill your account to reestablish service.
So check out this. When you go to the home screen, you get this. No matter what, and then to get rid of it, you hit that button, and it could also shrink this thing.
To skip this option, press pound.
I mean, you can put it down there. You can move it all the way across this screen. This is the best feature of the Note 4, that makes the Note 4 a savage of a phone. And I'm going to show you how to set the options up so you can move that thing around and get it small. You know, you could turn it off. See that? Now it's this small. See that? Now it's just this little small thing in the corner.
You have not entered a choice. To add money to
Make
your
it back
account
big.
now using a prepaid card, press 1. To add money to your
Back
account
big.
now using a credit card,
That is why, and no matter what, I went on an outgoing phone call.
to skip this option,
And then it's big. It's huge. The Note 5 don't do that. That is why I always say in the S7 don't do it. So the Note 4 is the best phone that I ever used, the best version of TouchWiz that I ever saw. As you can see, it's saying check the back cover. This is something that's always a problem with this phone. It's all, it's just a piece of crap when it comes to that back cover. So what I want to show you is the call features for why I think this phone is the best. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a phone call. Active key. This is something else. You see this? This is something else that I want you to notice. Why I think this is one of the best phones. See that? You could go into anything, including tasker. So you can set this up to actually activate a shortcut. And it's, you know, and this is the thing that, as why I think that this phone, this button has the exact functionality that the Bixby button have, but Samsung decided to, hey, we don't know nothing about this S5. This phone has an extra button right here on the side that they do not want, and they know that they could have set up Bixby to be just as functional as this. That's why I say the S5, it was one of the best phones that Samsung ever put out. Yeah, it has some problems, but overall this phone is the truth. So let me see if I can get into those settings so I can show you what I'm talking about. Phone settings. So the thing is, what I want to show you is that this doesn't work the same on the S8. I mean, yeah, the S7 and the S8. It doesn't do that. The S7 right here,
Hi, you've reached Nintendo.
going to the home screen. See, the home screen is still the same. But one thing you got to take a look at is this.
Get order status, get internet connection help, or use our forums. If you want to stay on the line.
And it's very cumbersome. So let's make a phone call from here. So this menu was supposedly perfected from Samsung. So if I get a phone call coming, if I get an incoming call, and it's the same thing with this one. But I want to show you something. Take it back to the home screen. Watch this. But watch, now this is what's important. Suppose we have this on the screen. See this menu right here? That's all the time on the Note 4 and the Note 5. And that's what I want you to see. So what I'm saying is, on the Galaxy Note 4 and the Galaxy S5, a little pop-up is always on the screen, making it easy to access the phone features. And my Note 4 died on me when I was making this video back in 2017. LG also is a leader in doing this. I remember they had the same functionality and kept the functionality all the way till their modern phones, even though you don't have the option of turning on speaker, mute, and I think what it is, speaker, mute, and in call. Yeah, you had those three features: speaker, mute, and in call. That was the same three features that Samsung had on their pop-up, but they eventually just made it so you could go straight into the phone app, and Samsung just did away with it at all. That's why I hacked the Bixby button to make it so you could end call by hitting the button on the side of the phone, because I'm telling you, you're not gonna appreciate this function or this feature or hack, whatever you want to call it, until you think you ended the phone call and then the person is still on the phone. How many times have that happened to you? So that's me rambling. Till I make the next video, peace out.